This is Jack. After working for Ace Plumbing for 10 years, he decided to go out on his own and open his own plumbing company. But after being open for over a month, he is struggling to find new customers for his business, and he is close to giving up and going back to work for Ace. This is Sarah. She is a search marketing consultant. She helps small businesses get new customers by making sure that search engines like Google and Bing know that they exist. She knows that a business that is not on page 1 is like a business that's located in the middle of a desert. It has very little chance of thriving and growing. Luckily, Jack was introduced to Sarah by a mutual friend, and after a few short weeks, his business is beginning to grow because of the new customers he has gotten from his website and the traffic that she has brought to him through Google. Would you benefit from having more visitors to your website? If so, contact us today to find out how we can help.